Today I'm gonna add a shop to my game about egg bowling. Basically, I have this one button that doesn't really do anything except for reset the game. I wanna turn it into a shop button, so when you click it, it opens the shop. Now that we're in a new card, I'm just gonna start making the shop. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy these eggs from the game. I'm just gonna remove every script of it because I only need it for the display of the shop. Later I'm gonna make it so that you can buy stuff, but for now I just only need it for the icons. I'm in a bit of the shop and I'm basically named it the shop with the good deals, because I feel like that's the name that most accurately describes the shop we're making. You know what else is a good deal? Subscribing and liking to this video. Do it or I will never feed the eggs. I'm gonna add like 2 more of these slots over here so we could sell the ostrich egg and the quail egg too. And basically I think I'm gonna make the chicken egg free, because so like if you just break it once accidentally, you're basically cooked. There's no way. So I'm gonna make it free so that that doesn't happen. So I think we also need a way to sell the golden egg, but I'm gonna put it in the special offers because it's special. And I'm gonna make it really expensive because it's overpowered. I found this image on Google of this egg packet, so I'm just gonna trace it because and there's no way I'm gonna draw this. So yeah. It's done. I think it looks very epic. So I'm just gonna label it and put the price on now. And I think that's it for now.